Good afternoon, motorheads and gearheads. The next mod I'm going to do on the 2021 Dodge Durango RT Tow and Go package is going to be, go ahead and make fun of me, roast me in the comments if you want to, but it's going to be the AFE Scorcher. The AFE Scorcher GT module. You know, it might be a gimmick. It says on their website, there's a dyno graph. It says 12 horsepower and 21 pounds of torque on a 5.7 liter Dodge Ram pickup truck. So we'll see if this works or not. I mean, yeah, it could be a gimmick, but guess what? I'll be the guinea pig for you guys, so you guys don't have to waste your money if it doesn't work out. So I'll be glad to do that for you guys, to be the guinea pig and install this and see what happens. I mean, speaking of gimmicks, I mean, you can call this a gimmick. You know, it was a near $400 part for what? I mean, it gives you 5 horsepower at the most. I mean, you can call that a gimmick. You know, the Scorcher GT module was $300, and it claims 12 horsepower and 21 pounds of torque, and I believe that's at the wheels. I mean, that's pretty good. So I'll give it a try and give you some numbers and before and after. And it's super simple to install. I mean, it'll take like 5 minutes. There's a long cord, and then the short plugs basically go into the IAT module sensor in the back, and then there's a much longer cable, and then these will go into this sensor here, the map sensor, which is the back one, I believe, and then this will be the IAT sensor. And then they recommend to put the module away from heat and moving parts, so they recommend putting it clear back here on top of the brake reservoir. I wouldn't mind just putting it right here or something. I don't see why that would be a problem, putting it right there. It's not gonna be, I don't think it'll be that hot right there, or any moving parts really right there. So I don't know, I might just run the cables through there, and it comes back out through here, and put the module on top of the brake reservoir like they recommend, or I might just do it right here. I'm not sure yet, but anyway, I have two hands, so I got to do this. Put the phone down, and then I'll come back and show you the what it looks like after I install it. So stick around for the next video.